Hi, and how are you? My name is Christine Muridhi. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today, I want to teach you how to make your Instagram account professional and then how you promote your posts for your page so that you can get more clients. So, the first thing you do so that you can be able to promote is to make that account a professional account and then link it to a Facebook account and then add your debit card so that you can be able to promote your post. So this is how we do it. I'm going to use previously pre-recorded videos to show you this, so walk with me. So this is how you make your account professional. This is how you make your account professional. So if you look at this is a new account, and we're going to go to some just a minute. So just go to settings, and then you'll be able to see switch to professional account, and then click there, and then choose category of your shop or account. So you can, if you're a video creator, if you're it's a TV program, so anything, there are many choices, so you just choose whichever is relevant to you. But this for me is a clothing store, so I'll just take clothing brand. So just click it. You can choose all those suggestions, so whichever you want, but this one I'm choosing clothing brand, and then I'll put on that one so that I can be able to display the label. But this is not a creator account, it's a business account, so I'll choose a business. This is best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organization, and service providers. The other one for creators is if you're maybe a content creator. Here we are going to add your business email, your number, and your address if you have an address. So you just put your contacts there so that when a customer sees your page, they are able to contact you or reach you. So that's where you add there what the contacts for your business. So I didn't add any because, well, it's not like I'm using this page anyway. And then you have to connect to Facebook so you can be able to use this account. So it's a must you connect to Facebook, but since I'm not using this page, I did not connect to Facebook. So yeah, you're supposed to connect that page to your Facebook page so that you can be able to promote. So you can't do without a page. So if you don't have a page, you just create one and you'll be good to go. You'll create a page with your account, your personal account. So next, we are going to see how you are able to now promote. Since you already have a business account, a professional Instagram account, so how do you promote? So you post a post and then you click the button that is promote, and then you're able to select goals. So here you're able to select a goal which you want. You can either choose it depends where you want the goal. So you select a goal, you can choose more profile visits, more website visits, or more messages. So for more profile visits, or more messages, or so more profile visits, if people are looking into your whole profile, it directs the promoted post directs them to your page directly. More profile visits, more website visits. Here you can see I have put my WhatsApp page there as the website, so people go directly there. So once you choose your target. Here you can see I already have a target group. It's called book lovers, and it has, and here you can see I have put age. You can always change that, and you can choose which genders you want for your page. I'm gonna give you another video of more detailed info on this after this, yeah. So here you can choose whichever age you want, and location. Now you're able to choose where exactly you want your clients to be. So you choose where it's near your business. Like myself, you can see my location is Limuru Road. That's the diameter I want people to buy from. That around that area, because I'm able to deliver from there. So about money, you just put the budget you have. You can see there I put a budget. You like the budget you can change. You can put as little as 200 and as much as 100,000, for as little as 1 day and for as much as 30 days. So it's up to you. Price, it's up to you. You put what you have. Yeah, that's what you do with price. And then after that, you're all set to go. When you're able to put the price you want for your budget and how many days your promotion will run, you put after that, now you're all set to go. And now you can just click on create promotion. I'll not do that because I'm not planning to promote right now. So this is actually an account I'm using to sell my books. You can actually buy them, but so I'll not create the promotion. So next I'll show you how to add a debit card to your account. So you need to remember that so that you can be able to promote on Instagram, you need a debit card. And if you don't have a debit card and you're in Kenya, I would suggest you go to Loop, NCBA Loop. They give you free debit cards, and you can just go get it in town or any NCBA Loop place. Go get it. Start using ASAP. Funding it is very easy. You just use M-Pesa pay bill number, which when you search on the internet you will find it. So if you do not have a debit card, just go to Loop, get it for free. Put money there, start ASAP because it's as little as 200. So I want to show you how exactly now you add your debit card to your account so that you're able to promote, because you can't promote unless you add a debit card or a mode of payment. So we don't have M-Pesa. So just go to Loop, get the debit card, or if you have a bank already, just go get the debit card, add it there, start promoting, get money, right? So here we'll do a quick recap of what we have learned to do. So this is another page. So just log in into your Instagram page, which is already professional. Click on promotions, choose an ad you want to create, and then set your goal, like we said. Then choose your audience. So myself, I chose messages. Choose your audience. Here I chose automatic audience, just like the people who are already following me. So I want to get people who are like those who are already following me. Here I just set my budget, and then once you set your budget, I said you can just adjust the budget according to how much you have. Now here, because now we add the payment methods here. So this is where now the debit card comes in. So you can see there, add payment methods. So we are going to add the payment methods, and I'm going to show you how a debit card looks like and what exactly name of the name you're supposed to add is, all those things there. The next image is going to show exactly this, what you're supposed to do here. So watch it for the next image. So in this image, you're able to see this is labeled, so you can be able to copy from here to what is on Instagram so that you can know what's needed for you to add. So once you're able to add your card, you can just promote your post and you'll get clients according to what you've targeted. And how many is according to how much you pay, and this works for me. I promote my page, Pef Bookstore, and you guys should check it out to get books. So I promote and it works. So do the same. If you have any questions, please ask on the comments below. I'm willing to help. I'm gonna add my WhatsApp number here so that if you need other questions, you can ask me directly on WhatsApp. As you buy books, I sell hard copy books from 600 bob and ebooks from at 50 bob, audiobooks at 100 bob. Thank you so much guys for watching this. If you haven't seen me before, check my other videos. You're gonna see my face. So I wasn't able to do a video of this because of all the screen sharing I was doing. Thank you so much for staying with me this long. I know it's a long video, but I hope it helps you and helps you grow your business. Good luck with the promotions. All the very best. Please let me know how you do it on the comments. Have a good day or night or whatever time you're watching. Just be blessed, okay?